Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Twisted. First, launch the Roblox application and search for Twisted in the Games section. Select the official game by the Twisted team to ensure you are playing the correct version. Once loaded, you will enter a lobby where you can prepare for the round. The primary objective is to survive as an innocent or eliminate survivors as the Twisted. Each round typically lasts around 5 minutes, offering quick and engaging gameplay for up to 12 players. You will be randomly assigned one of 2 roles at the start of each round, innocent or twisted. Innocents must complete objectives, such as finding 3 keys or activating 4 generators, or simply survive until the round timer reaches 0. The twisted player's goal is to eliminate all innocents before they can escape or the time expires. Pay close attention to the on-screen notification to understand your objective. Innocents often have a small health bar, while the Twisted has more health and unique abilities, making them a formidable opponent. As an innocent, focus on stealth and completing objectives like finding keys or activating generators. There are usually 3 to 5 objectives per map. Utilize hiding spots, such as lockers or behind large objects, to evade the Twisted. If you are the Twisted, learn the map layouts to anticipate innocent movements and patrol key objective areas. Use your abilities strategically to corner and eliminate players. Remember, teamwork among innocents can be crucial for survival, while the Twisted thrives on isolating targets, often eliminating them within 10 to 15 seconds of engagement. To enhance your gameplay, familiarize yourself with the various maps and their unique features, including secret passages and escape routes. Consider purchasing in-game items or perks with earned currency, which can provide advantages like faster movement or temporary invincibility for a few seconds. Practice is key to mastering both roles. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and observe experienced players. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the thrilling experience that Roblox Twisted offers, whether you're hunting or being hunted, across its diverse and challenging environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.